How to make your custom decal anodized. In Rocket League, you have 3 types of paint finishes for your diffuse decals. The default diffuse comes in matte. Then you have special decals which then include glossy and anodized effects. When you initially create your decal, a standard decal template will look like this. It's just a diffuse and a skin. In order to make your decal anodized or glossy, you'll need to find a decal in-game that has the appropriate paint finish, which can be a bit tedious going through every single decal trying to find one that you like. What I would suggest you do is start with the previous esports packs. For reference, if you go into Backers Mod, type in complexity, anything with a 2 is what you will need to use. So it could be NRG, it could be whatever team you want, as long as it has this 2 next to it. These are the season decals that we will be using. For example, this is the complexity decal, and as you can see, there is a clear difference between this part of the decal and this part. In order to do this, you'll need to turn on developer mode in the Alpha console. You go to settings, developer mode, and then back to your decal list. And what you'll need to do is come down to body parameters and then click on your skin mask. Notice here that you have 2 different parameters from what was previously shown in the JSON file. These are very important as these are what you will be using. So you can export this and open it up into full screen, but for now I know for this decal, green refers to anodized. So what you're going to want to do is go into any image editor that you have, and you want to fill your background with blue. This will make the base of your car matte, and then what you can do is simply paint around where you want the anodized to be. As you can see, our parameters now match what is used in game. This is the diffuse with our texture. Here is our skin texture, which is just a green texture. As you can see here, it is referencing decal black folder and a texture called skin. We go to decal black, here is the texture. Once you have saved that and added everything to the JSON file correctly, what you'll now see is your decal will be anodized, or whatever paint finish you want. The link to the full tutorial will be down in the descriptions.